Let's solve one previous question of mathematical logic. This question was asked in GATE CS 2017 set 1, question number 1. The statement negation P implies negation Q is logically equivalent to which of the statement below? And 4 statements are given, 4 options are given. It is asking which one is logically equivalent to negation P implies negation Q. So let's check one by one. Statement 1, P implies Q. P implies Q is not logical equivalent to negation P implies negation Q. Just take an example. When P is true and Q is false, now P implies Q will be false. True implies false, it will false. Now take negation P, negation Q, and negation P implies negation Q. Now negation P will be false as this was true. Now false negation will be true. False implies true, it will be true. As truth value is changing, both are not logically equivalent. Next, statement 2, Q implies P. Q implies P, we know if P implies Q, then its contrapositive is negation Q implies negation P. Both are logically equivalent. I already discussed that contrapositive is equivalent during implication lecture. Just go through the lecture. Now here it's given Q implies P. So its contrapositive will be negation P implies negation Q. And that exactly given here. So both are equivalent due to contrapositive. Next, statement 3, negation Q or P. This is logical equivalent. Here it's given negation P implies negation Q. We know if P implies Q, that we can write as negation P or Q. So here we can write negation of negation P or negation Q. Now negation of negation P is simply P or negation Q. And or is commutative, so we can write negation Q or P. That exactly given in statement 3. So both are logically equivalent. This implication we can write in the or format, and it is negation Q or P. Next, fourth one, negation P or Q. This is not logical equivalent to this, as it is logical equivalent to negation Q or P. Here it's given negation P or Q, so both are not logically equivalent. We found statement 2 and statement 3 are logical equivalents to negation P implies negation Q. So answer will be option D, 2 and 3 only. I already discussed logical equivalence for implication. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.